Now the meeting is for
Yeah, Kilba?
1 hour, right? The
Yeah, it's
meeting came
1 hour.
for.
Yeah. Yeah. So I request you to give a try by using the buffered input stream and buffered output stream. You're able to see
Okay.
my screen? I did share.
Not it.
I
Yeah.
just share.
Exploding.
So if you see, this is again similar to the normal way which we use like file input stream and output stream. But internally, what we have something called as you can read based on the position which you requested earlier, right? Instead of reading it just H. I wanted to read till go to the till end of the file hello. In that case, how can it start and how can it end? So where we gave a condition like till end of file, you want to read it. There might be places like you have a similar text file, but you don't want to read the entire content. You want to go to the relevant position or any kind of hint you'll have in the entire file. You go to that position and read it and then get back. That's it. You don't need to read the entire huge file where that much performance is not required at the place. So what we do is we maintain the positions, how where to start, how much count data you have to have. So all these things, and you take that data in a buffer and then read and then convert it into the actual file, or if you want to print it or if you want to reuse in your program, we'll use it that way. So what are the methods you have as part of your buffered input stream? If you see, it is similar again to all your read methods because all your abstract class methods will be present here. The only difference you'll have additionally as part of this is your buffer. And you'll have your initial positions. So far in the streams class, wherever you have observed, we haven't used the positions explicitly. It was taken care implicitly by the relevant methods and the logic which has been implemented by that particular stream classes. But here we would be explicitly saying like, okay, open the buffer, read this file from this particular position to this particular position, and then get the data. So the structure is like similar to your normal buffered input stream and output stream. So let's say buffer input stream. So this is again expecting an input stream object. So it can be any input stream. You can pass file input stream or you can just create input stream reference and pass it. So however you want, you can do that. But I just want to give you a try on creating this buffer input stream. So same way, create your own file. But instead of using data output stream or file or input stream and output stream, I want you to read the data using buffer input stream.
Okay, yeah, I will give it.
Yeah, you can just give a try on this. There's again the relevant output stream class where you can write from it. So like predominantly in the real-time examples, we either you go with buffered input streams or with the file input stream and output stream. So it's everything is same. Only thing is like you'll have few additional methods on your buffer. The buffer is nothing but an array of data where you read your data based on the positions where if you wanted to. So there's an additional operation to read the data set, not complete file in case of your buffered output stream. Whereas in file input stream, output stream, you'll have the entire context. So where you have to read the entire thing and then you have to cut the logic like where you have to read or you have to add your business logic on top of that. Whereas in case of buffer output stream, it is already being given by that particular class as an added advantage. So yeah, so that is the reason. You just give a try with a similar example. As of now, I'll share you this particular file to you right now in the text, and by tomorrow I'll upload by everything in the Git and then I'll share you the Git repo link.
Yeah, okay.
I'll just share this. Just a moment, I'm uploading it on the chat box.
Yeah. So I feel I'm still not that good in reading source classes. For example, I was trying out one challenge in HackerRank
Okay.
about number formatter class. So I'm particularly not that comfortable reading source classes. So maybe I need some more practice in that.
Okay. So like which class? Like you have any questions over there? You can move on.
So I'm trying it out. Maybe on Monday I can
Yeah, I
ask
just
you in
shared
case
you
of any
the
doubt.
file here, the casting.java, whatever we have tried now.
Hmm.
Are you able to access it?
Yeah, I download it. Yeah.
So you can give a try on buffer input stream. And for the reading the source file part, right? That might take some more time because right now you learn collections, and they might be like if it's like a really complicated code, you might not know what is happening. But I think you should be able to understand what is the structure of that code part. But maybe the navigation or the business logic part, you might be like little messed up. That's it.
Yeah. I need some more practice.
Yeah.
I will work it out in HackerRank. And in case of any doubt, I will contact you or WhatsApp over the weekend or
Yeah, yeah,
on
sure.
Monday.
Yeah, you can ask me anytime when you have doubts. Yeah. So tomorrow we'll see few other classes on the streams part, and then we'll implement the collections related thing in that. Not tomorrow, it's on Monday. Yeah.
Monday.
So
Okay.
yeah, Monday. And coming Friday, we might not have class.